Hello, I'm Kate Nidachin and you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. On Friday, the US dollar stabilized against a basket of major world currencies. The rumors that the United States might be unwilling to strengthen the dollar against the backdrop of the Chinese yuan devaluation are not so alarming any longer. Moreover, the management of China's central bank decided to stop the devaluation of the national currency. All of this has relieved to some extent the market's fears that the weaker Chinese yuan might prevent the Federal Reserve from hiking its interest rate. Other favorable factors included the newly released US retail sales data for July. The statistics on US unemployment claims turned out to be quite positive as well. Based on this information, we can assume that the US economy is back on its feet, which means that the country is most likely to start tightening its monetary policy in the near future.
After retail sales data showed a better increase than expected, the market awaits a positive report on producer prices. If the statistics turn out to be good indeed, especially amid relatively weak European data, the US dollar will start growing as general inflation expectations will rise. The US dollar index will begin the next week with a movement to 97.00.
In the US pre-market trading, the dollar's dynamic was recognized as strictly correctional. As ИнстаФорекс analyst Alexander Davidov had already mentioned, the new macroeconomic data from the US might disturb the present balanced state of the US dollar. In particular, the markets are looking closely into the US producer price index for July. The analysts watching the US macroeconomic statistics had expected the BPI to grow by 0.1%. The actual growth exceeded the forecast as the prices rose by 0.2%. As for the annual value, the market did not predict any positive changes. Economists had expected the index to stay in the negative zone or even decline to minus 0.9%. However, the prices only went down by 0.8%. Meanwhile, traders are still facing some uncertainty and worries about the US dollar's further growth. The market's expectations of the near rate hike in the United States are to keep supporting the US dollar. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachin. Have a nice weekend.